Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Pasensya na kayo, iba muna ang setup natin ngayon kasi nagkasakit kasi ako for a week na, fever and flu. Tapos talagang ang tagal-tagal ko gumaling kaya medyo ang boses ko till now is iba. Boses talaga na may sakit. Ang video nga pala natin ngayon is about the direction of the 2 and 6 who are flying from the same point but going on this different direction. Two and 6 fly from the same point but towards different directions. One was flying at the speed of 12.2 meters per minute while the other was flying at 17.4 meter per minute. The angle between their flight direction is 84.1. How many meters are they apart after 2.1 meter? Now the solution for this one, how to solve this one? First, we have to make the rough sketch of their direction. So, if the N6A and B, they're flowing from the same point, which they fly from the same point. So we designate this one as A, and this one as B, and this one as C. They're flying at the same point but towards different direction. One was flying at the speed of 12.2 meters per minute, while the other was flying at 17.4 meter per minute. Now, the angle between their flight direction is 84.1. So, how many meters are they apart after 2.1 minute? Now, that means, how many meters are they apart? Other one is from here. The other one is from here. So what we're looking for here is the A. Now, this we can use the formula of the velocity, which is equal to the distance over the time. Now, distance therefore is equal to velocity times the time. Now, if we designate this one, because this was the angle A, so this is the side A. Now, this is the angle B, so this must be the side B. And this is angle C, and this is the side C. Now, this B, sides B here, we can solve by using the distance formula, which is equal to velocity times the time. So, there is 17.4 multiplied by the time after 2.1 minute. Therefore, B is equal to 36.54 meter. So, yan. Nakuha na natin ang 36.54. Now, we can solve also C, side C, which is equal to 12.2, because the one is flying at the other direction, which is 12.2 by 2.1, the time they are apart after 2.1 minute. Therefore, C is equal to 25.62 meter. Now, we got B and C, which is equal to 25.62. Now, this, we can solve the distance between insect A, insect 1 and insect 2 with this one. So we can, because there is given angle and two sides are given, we solve. So we can use cosine law, which is that A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine of A, cosine over the opposite angle of A. So substituting the values, because we have the value of B, side B and side C, so A, B, C are sides of this one. So from here, we can substitute B, which is equal to 36.54 squared plus 25 point, which is the side C, 62 squared minus 2 times B, which is 36.54 times C, which is 25.62 cosine of A, which is equal to 84.1 degrees. Therefore, simplifying all this one, A therefore is equal to 42.42 meter. So this is the the distance between the two insects. How many meters are they apart after 2.1 minute, after the time of 2.1 minutes? So their distance, because they start from the same direction, from the same point and going to different direction. So from here going there, the other one is going there. So their distance apart after 2.1 meter, when 2.1 minute, is side A, which is the one we're looking for. A, it is equal to 42.42 meter.
Sorry, it's DJ.